Westbrook Park was built in the 50s, so it's older.
The classrooms, the actual classrooms, probably haven't been repainted in a number of years, decades even.
I've been here over 30 years, and I think my room was painted one time in my time here.
I think the paint was kind of chipping.
The coloring of the walls was like the old red and tan colors.
Desks that had been here since I think some people that are now parents have been here.
Desks that were short, desks that were tall, desks that were all different shapes and sizes.
They had a lot of pencil marks on them.
And it matched the decor.
And the lights may have been changed out one time.
The ceiling fans were old, a lot of them didn't work. A lot of the classrooms were missing ceiling tiles.
I think some of the ceiling was broken.
We were in a meeting and I got told that Westbrook Park was going to be shut down because we were doing renovations. Ceilings, lights, fans, and HVAC for the back half of the school, 4th, 5th grade, kindergarten, and for the library. When I told the staff about it, people were obviously happy but also surprised because there have been people here that have worked here for a while and there hasn't been as many projects done as you would kind of like.
We had to pack up our rooms fully, which honestly it wasn't that bad. We were able to get a lot of help, which was nice, and some time.
District gave everyone boxes, which they were able to put their stuff in. When we had talked about the process was going to be, it was that pretty quickly there was going to be a turnaround and stuff was going to get moved and pieces were going to happen. And you hear that sometimes and you think, okay, but we have time, we have time. Teachers left and 2 days later, companies were in, ceiling was down like immediately. And not just the hallway, but also the classrooms. Tracks, you would just see open ceiling with just the track, and then the track work started coming down. And they were taking dumpsters of material out, and it was very impressive.
I didn't really know what to expect. I was hopeful that it would look refreshed, and when I came back, it did.
When we came back, I was definitely surprised by how, I didn't know how much of a difference those changes would make, and you don't really think that paint will make that much of a difference, or the lights or the ceiling tiles. But all of that made such a big difference, and it really made the school brighter and look a lot more welcoming when we got here this summer. The kids were very excited. They definitely noticed right away.
I was shocked when I thought everything looked different.
Everything just looks cleaner.
There's new desk, new chairs, new ceiling, and new walls.
When people walked through the front door, when they saw the cafeteria repainted with new ceilings and new lights, when you saw the library looks fantastic.
All the walls are painted and bright. The stripes across the top and here look fabulous, I think. The hallways look so nice now with the paint, with the lights.
The ceiling tiles are brand new. They look nice. The lights are new. We have new ceiling fans that work. The classrooms have new desks and chairs, which is nice because they all match now. So we have a classroom that has all the same desk and all the same chair.
During the summer, the electricians came through and they redid light switches. So an old light switch to now a panel switch that goes up and down.
I know that doesn't sound big, but in my room, being able to turn the fans on and the lights off was a big deal.
So you can put the lights on without the fans or the fans on without the light.
And it seems like the smallest thing in the world, but for teachers, that was a big win for a number of staff.
Now the whole wing has AC.
Summer and spring is hot inside. It would be like so hot, but now we have air conditioner. It'd be like more colder in the room, so we won't be more hot.
When you walk through Westbrook Park halls, there is a red strip against the walls, and then there is the kind of tan cream color in the middle. And right, it looked great when our colors were red and white. We haven't been red and white for a long time. When we come back next year, just the new flooring, having purple floors that match the walls, that match, our purple and gold throughout the district. It's going to be such a facelift with that and the work that was done last summer.
I'd been working here for a couple of years, and this was definitely the most work we've gotten done at Westbrook. So I was really excited to kind of get all these updates and be able to have a school that the kids could be proud of.
The kids have a better environment in their classrooms, so they feel comfortable being at school. And I really like it here, like it's my own home.
You feel like you're going to learn a lot from this school.
Keep the renovations coming because it really makes a big difference. I think the kids feel it, we feel it, the parents see it, and we really appreciate it. So whoever's behind all of it, we say thank you.
Westbrook Park rules.